Hello everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing. We are working this week on this beautiful BMW M3 in a nice white. And this video, we're going to go over the defects that are in this car. Right out the gate, seeing lots of swirls, lots of scratches, spider webbing, micro marring right there. See that? Right there. Let's go on to the driver's side hood. Scratches, swirling, buffer trails, micro marring. See that? That should be nice and clear. It's not. Top of the hood here. Onto the driver's fender. Some deeper scratches right there. Spider webs, swirl marks, buffer trails. See the right inside of that. See if I can catch that on camera there in the edge. Oop. Right there. See it? Onto the driver's door. Same thing. Once I put it up on the lift, I also noticed that there is some really deep scratches right down here. And it's also so scratched that you can't even see the paint pop. Look at that. See that? Of course, this video doesn't do any justice for what it actually looks like sitting here. Onto the rear driver's door. More scratches, more marring, more buffer trails. Take a look at the pillars. Now, if this car was black, that's pretty much what the paint looks like. So that gives you an idea of what we're really looking at here. See that along that piano black edge there? On now to the driver's rear quarter. Again, more scratches, swirl marks, and buffer trails. And you'd be surprised, guys, most cars come out of the factory with many defects just like this. Here's the rear tail light lens. That should be nice and clear. It's not. Rear bumper wraparound. See that? Of course, the small bits down here. See if I can get that. There we go. Tail light. The carbon fiber wing. It's not too bad. There are some marks on the carbon fiber wing, probably just from opening and closing. Rear deck lid. Of course, the emblems are going to need a little shining up. Look at the emblems. See that? As we move around here, passenger side tail light. On now to the passenger side quarter. Scratches, not quite as bad as the rest of the car right in here, but down here it's about the same. See that? Piano black. A couple watermarks right there, but those should come out nice. These little black bits right here. On now to the passenger rear door. Decent micro marring right there. Along the bottom. Passenger front door. Same thing. Right here, there are some really weird looking marks right there. It's really hard to catch because it's white. But if you guys were standing here, you could see what I'm talking about. Just a really big mark, maybe from somebody that leaned on the car at some point. Hard to tell. These two panels here are also slightly two different colors. That does tend to happen right from the factory. Right there, see that? Front bumper wraparound. Same thing, we got some rock chips and stuff, which we'll be filling as well. And the inner grille pieces here make them look really nice. Front emblems aren't too bad. This vehicle is getting what we call a two-stage enhancement polish. What that means is I'm going to go around the whole thing one time with an aggressive pad set and an aggressive liquid using a 6-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch, and 1/4-inch polisher so that we can get around all the edges. After that, we're going to come back and do what we call the refinement stage. That'll be with a lesser aggressive pad set, still 6-inch, 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch, and 1/4-inch, but it'll be a lesser aggressive pad and a lesser aggressive liquid. With that said, we're aiming to remove in the 80s, in terms of percentage of defect removal, which would probably be better than factory on this particular car. After that, we'll be sealing her up with Crystal Serum Ultra, followed by 2 coats of G-Technic Exo, which will give it 9 years of protection, much better than a wax or a sealant. As always, if you would like me to look at your vehicle or do an estimate or pricing demonstration, you can schedule that at totalpackagedetailing.com/appointment. From there, you can select a phone call or an in-person estimate and demo. Please fill out the forms completely. I do need your year, make, and model, etc., plus your best number to reach you. You can also give me a call at 920-450-2085. Again, that's 920-450-2085 or www.totalpackagedetailing.com/appointment.